The Roman philosopher and physician Claudius Galen formulated a concept of personality types based on the ancient Greek theory of humorism, which attempted to explain the workings of the human body. The roots of humorism go back to Empedocles, a Greek philosopher who suggested the different qualities of the four basic elements, earth, air, fire, and water, could explain the existence of all known substances. Hippocrates, the father of medicine, developed a medical model based on these elements, attributing their qualities to four fluids within the body. These fluids were called humors, from the Latin humor, meaning body fluid. 200 years later, Galen expanded the theory of humorism into one of personality. He saw a direct connection between the levels of the humors in the body and the emotional and behavioral inclinations, or temperaments. Galen's four temperaments, sanguine, phlegmatic, choleric, and melancholic, are based on the balance of humors in the body. If one of the humors develops excessively, the corresponding personality type begins to dominate. A sanguine person has too much blood and is warm-hearted, cheerful, optimistic, and confident, but can be selfish. A phlegmatic person suffering from excess phlegm is quiet, kind, cool, rational, and consistent, but can be slow and shy. The choleric personality is fiery, suffering from excess yellow bile. Lastly, the melancholic, who suffers from an excess of black bile, is recognized by poetic and artistic leanings, which are often also accompanied by sadness and fear. According to Galen, some people are born predisposed to certain temperaments. However, since temperamental problems are caused by imbalances of the humors, he claimed they can be cured by diet and exercise. In more extreme cases, cures may include purging and bloodletting. For example, a person acting selfishly is overly sanguine and has too much blood. This is remedied by cutting down on meat or by making small cuts into the veins to release blood. Galen's doctrines dominated medicine until the Renaissance, when they began to decline in the light of better research. In 1543, the physician Andreas Vesalius, practicing in Italy, found more than 200 errors in Galen's description of anatomy, but although Galen's medical ideas were discredited, he later influenced 20th century psychologists. In 1947, Hans Eysenck concluded that temperament is biologically based, and noted that the two personality traits he identified, neuroticism and extroversion, echoed the ancient temperaments. Although humorism is no longer part of psychology, Galen's idea that many physical and mental illnesses are connected forms the basis of some modern therapies. Thanks for watching this video. If you enjoyed it, please give us a like and subscribe for more videos like this one.